The education system primarily emphasizes on teaching reading, writing, and arithmetic, while neglecting the topic of financial literacy. As a result, many students lack a basic understanding of personal finance, investing, and business, which becomes evident later in life. The education system fails to acknowledge that there are various avenues for earning a living. Students should be aware that they can choose to pursue trade schools to learn valuable skills such as plumbing, electrical work, and other trades. Some individuals who acquire these skills may even choose to establish their own businesses, leveraging their knowledge to become successful entrepreneurs and even millionaires. Others may focus on investing and trading, using their initial capital to purchase and sell assets for a profit in various forms. Some individuals choose to provide services as self-employed professionals, operating under the direction of their clients. Entrepreneurs, on the other hand, establish their own companies and derive their income from the profits generated. Unfortunately, the traditional school system tends to neglect or discourage these paths to success. By default, society tends to promote the idea of attending college, securing a good job, building a long-term career with an employer, and eventually retiring after 40 years of service. However, this conventional approach can often lead individuals into an unfulfilling rat race, where the sole source of happiness is looking forward to the weekend and going on vacation. The meaning of a rat race. The term rat race refers to a competitive, often frantic and repetitive routine of daily life in modern urban society, where people are in constant pursuit of success, wealth, and status. It suggests a repetitive, never-ending cycle of work, commute, and daily chores with little time or energy left for personal interests or relationships. The phrase rat race is often used to describe the negative effects of capitalism and consumer culture, where people are pushed to work long hours and compete with each other to achieve material success. This can lead to stress, burnout, and a sense of emptiness or dissatisfaction with one's life. What does escaping the rat race mean? Breaking free from the rat race usually involves achieving a certain degree of financial independence from a regular paycheck and exploring alternative methods of generating income, such as pursuing a full-time side hustle, starting a business, or working for oneself. There are multiple paths to escape, but the fundamental principle is to abandon a career in favor of a new financial direction. Often breaking free from the rat race involves selling one's home, car, and eliminating debt, downsizing, relocating, and adopting a more frugal or minimalist lifestyle. What are the ways to break free from the rat race? Having a strong desire to leave your job, gaining knowledge about financial independence by reading relevant books, keeping an open mind towards available options, reducing your monthly expenses, planning for an alternative means of income to cover your monthly bills, lowering your debt, putting in dedicated effort to establish a secondary source of income, simplifying your lifestyle by downsizing, selling a home that is larger than necessary, relocating to a more affordable area. Breaking free from the rat race is possible if you have adequate funds to attain financial freedom. Your asset-generated cash flow exceeds your monthly expenses, or if you have a full-time source of income outside of your job. The crucial aspect to escape the rat race is to minimize your monthly bills and debt. If you have a hefty mortgage, new car payments, excessive credit card debt, or spend without restraint, you'll be stuck in your job forever, struggling to stay afloat with your monthly bills and debt. Breaking free from the rat race revolves around two key aspects of personal finance: minimizing expenses and maximizing income. Relying solely on your paycheck is not enough. You must also explore other avenues to generate income. To achieve financial stability, it's essential to pay off your debts and save for emergencies. One way to increase your income is by acquiring new skills that you can monetize. You can explore methods to monetize your hobbies and interests. Learning about unconventional methods of earning money, which are not taught in school, is essential. Life is too precious to be spent in an unfulfilling corporate job. While change can be daunting, finding a path that allows you to do what you love can be financially rewarding and even more lucrative than your current job if you approach it strategically. The main concern for most of us is not how much we earn annually, but rather how we manage our spending habits. A recent study showed that 58% of Americans are now living paycheck to paycheck, according to the CNBC Your Money Financial Confidence Survey. If a person earns a significantly higher income than the average but still struggles to save due to excessive spending, it is essential to address their consumption patterns before considering their production. This is evident from the fact that many lottery winners and professional athletes declare bankruptcy due to poor spending habits, highlighting the critical role of consumption management in achieving financial stability. Statistics show 70% of lottery winners end up broke and a third go on to declare bankruptcy, according to the National Endowment for Financial Education. Overall, keeping a journal of your consumption and setting a budget to regulate your spending habits can aid in comprehending what and why you purchase. Once you have a handle on your consumption, focus on maximizing your production value through your job, business, or other means.